Hey guys, wanted to talk to y'all today about a knife that is in my pocket more often than I'd like to admit. And it is made in the USA, Hinderer Eklipse 3.5 inch. This knife, I think I showed y'all in an earlier video how I came into the Hinderer line through an act of kindness and a deal from Dark Gravity, Brother Dark Gravity on Instagram and in all of our YouTube chats. And then I started seeking out Hinderers. This is a Spanto in S45VN. It is the Battle Bronze. I was lucky enough to find a Battle Bronze titanium scale that I also picked up. So it's a full tie Hinderer tri-way pivot system. Right now it's on bearings. It will also run on washers, Teflon washers. I'm kind of a bearing guy. But one thing that's really surprised me about this Hinderer, besides the fact that it's such a work knife, that the blade stock is so thick, that it is so substantial feeling, that it fits my hand just perfectly for all types of different uses. But it is more of a hard use knife. It's not going to be thought of as your TRM slicer or your Spyderco Delica. It's not that thick, it's thicker behind the edge. So just know that this knife's not really designed for those, what I would consider more utilitarian type cutting tasks. It's designed to be a work knife. It was designed by a firefighter to be used by firefighters to rescue people and to get into places where you wouldn't normally need to get into. What surprises me about this knife is from a fidget standpoint, it is so easy to manipulate, from the thumb studs to the flipper tab to the reverse flick. It falls shut. I was not expecting that from a Hinderer knife. So the action on it, I feel, is fantastic. I can enjoy the knife with just hanging out with it, playing with it, using it at the office. I can get hard work done with it if I need to, and basically just enjoy having it in my pocket. It's a fantastic knife. I know if I've got it in my pocket, if I've got it out somewhere, if I need to pull it out and use it, it's going to be ready. So guys, that is the Hinderer XM-18. Let's do a couple of quick size comparisons. I think it's about a 3.5 inch blade, but let's look at it next to the Cold Steel 4MAX. It's a little bit smaller than the Cold Steel 4MAX. Look at it next to the Wee Baby Banter. It's a good bit larger than the Wee Baby Banter. Let's look at it next to the Benchmade Bug Out. It's a little bit larger than the Bug Out. Look at it next to the Paramilitary 2, PM2. Guys, it's about the same overall size as the Paramilitary 2. To give you an idea of the overall size of the Hinderer XM-18 3.5 inch. I will tell you, even with the G10 scale, it is a very hefty knife. It's got some good girth behind it. I want to say between 5.25 pounds. But again, if you're looking for a made in the USA knife to kind of cross all the boxes, as long as you're not just going to be slicing tomatoes all day long, I can recommend the Hinderer XM-18, or really any Hinderer products for that matter. I think he makes great knives. I realize there's been some controversy about some things lately. I try to stay out of all that. I realize that nobody's perfect. We do the best we can, we work on, which goes on to what I like to leave you with, is looking out for the guy and the gal to your right. Look out for the guy or the gal to your left. Know that you're going to have disagreements, but know that love is stronger than disagreements. And if we love the community, if we love each other, if we love knives, if we let that love kind of be the vessel of all that we are, it's going to be harder to hate each other and bring each other down. So just talk about your disagreements, agree to disagree, and keep your ears open. You might learn something that changes your opinion. Love all you guys. Peace.